Okay, so right up on the 20th floor in an executive room, the first thing that greets us, the first thing that greets us is our tea and coffee area, but the first thing that's greeting me is the noise. So I shall just, we switching the telly off? Yeah, we'll switch that off. Okay, right, let's start again. Here we go. So we have an iron and an ironing board. That's the bathroom through there. I'm slightly confused, but anyway, we have fluffy robes, which I guess are still in their dry cleaning fabric. Just another COVID prevention, but that certainly doesn't upset me. We've lots of slippers. They look like they're different sizes, which is clever and good. Okay. Yeah. So our wardrobe is double access. We've got our safe here. And that is solid and in. Pretty standard room safe. Wonder what on earth that is. Torch. Very normal Southeast Asia. And we have an abundance of goat hangers. Looking here, it kind of tells us the sad world that we're living in at the moment, but it's also, on that side, it's good to see everything, even the spoons, are individually sealed. We've got tea and coffee. We have an espresso machine. Yeah, just tucked away in there. Kettle, again, the glasses. Some complimentary water. Let's tell, I was expecting a fridge to open. Well, we have a minibar, and yeah, I guess we are in Bangkok. We might need some almonds. Yes, very important. Yeah, here we go. Is that another drawer? That's another drawer. Okay, now we water with soft drinks, a couple of beers. Now, I can't see a price list. Yeah, here we go. Complimentary 2 soft drinks, Coke and Sprite, Evian and Badwater water are not included and cannot be accumulated. Okay, so the Coke and Sprite are complimentary. The Coke and the Sprite, but the Badwater and the Evian's not included. Doesn't say much about the beer, but who knows. The only thing guaranteed that's going to be missing out of that selection is the Toblerone. Anyway, we have a full length mirror here. Super. A hanging rail. I always used to travel with a jacket, and then I realised all I did was carry it from one place to another. My luggage, which is here, which was brought up from reception. It's really good of them. We went up to the bar for a drink. I'm on this trip. I'm meeting a friend that I've done lots of work with over the years. And he lives in Thailand, so we met up in Bangkok. So we kind of rushed straight to the bar. And let's have a look at our bed. Oh, we've got a funny little fold and a funny little flower. Thank you for your loyalty. We wish you a pleasant and healthy stay. Well, that's sweet of them. Nice clock. A couple of USBs, some light switches, and a universal international power point. You can pretty much plug anything into those sockets. What have we got on the other side of the bed? Dear guest, our hotel provides daily turn-down service should you not require. I'm just going to put do not disturb and a pillow menu. Has anyone ever ordered from a pillow menu? I mean, it's all there, but I just sort of feel it's a bit fussy. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever ordered from a pillow menu and why you did and what pillow you ordered. Telephone. Pullman Bangkok, room to room call 0. Please dial 5 for services. Yeah, okay. I'd normally anyway. We've got a number to dial, and we've got USB and power sockets and controls on both sides of the bed. I like that. Little book, drawer. Okay. Fairly substantial chair. Footrest. So if I was in the mood to chill. Certainly in the mood to eat chocolate and a bowl of fruit. It's very nice of them. Let's see if we can climb through. We are on the 20th floor. Oh, wowzers. There you go. That's a view, isn't it? Now, I don't think I've got the greatest view of the pool, so we'll have to have a wander down there and run the camera around. Have been there. Have had a beer at the bar, which was very nice. But we'll take the camera down shortly. Yeah, well, there you go. That is a 20th floor skyline view of Bangkok. Excellent. Where to next? Well, this bathroom doesn't know which room it wants to be in, because I can go in here. So I can put the camera in here. We've got a cracking bathtub. And something there. I will climb around. Look at this. We're seeing it here. Now, I've travelled quite a lot this year. This is the first time I've seen this. Everything individually sealed. I think it's a bad thing that we live in a world that happens, but I think it's an excellent thing that this hotel is choosing to do that. Whether it's excessive, but it's certainly peace of mind that what you can see in public they're taking seriously. Amenities kits, toothbrushes, sewing, shaving foam, bonnet de douche, Rodney. We've got some soap, we've got some smellies, and if we want to separate that, so we can now see, we've put that. I don't get this, but okay, it's design. I don't get design. What I do get is comfy beds, so let's do the bed pull back. Pillows. Oh wow, that's so soft. Maybe I might need the pillow menu. Yeah, that's still soft, but that's fine. But I've got enough pillows, so I can firm up with the pillows. It's only me here, so I don't need the pillow menu. Yeah, it's immaculate. It's a Court. It's Pullman. It's yeah. See, now we've got an incredibly firm mattress, which I love. If you've watched the channel, and if you haven't watched the channel, please check it out. Loads of hotel reviews all the time. I love a firm mattress. I kind of quite like a firm pillow, but it's more the mattress for me. Anyway, let's go to the bathroom, and should we climb in? Should we climb over? Perhaps not. We've been here. Right, so we can see the bathtub. Now, because of the design of this bathroom, you're going to see a sneak behind the scenes moment. So yeah, immaculate. We are in Thailand. We have the sort of handheld bidet to wash our nether regions. Right, I wanted to see what this was. So remember, we came in over there. Oh, while we're here, obviously we've got air conditioning, which is on. Room's a pleasant temperature. That, my friends, is a yoga mat. I don't really know what to say. I'm sure it's a brilliant thing. It's probably not for me. That's the thing. Normally when I film a hotel room, I put all my bags in the bathroom, and then I run the camera around the bedroom. Then I put all my bags in the bedroom and run my camera around the bathroom. But today you see it all warts and all. Again, everything individually wrapped, more water, so we've plenty of water. It seems a small amount of smellies. Where are they? They're in the shower. Rainfall head, attachment. It's immaculate. It's absolutely spotless. Look at that grouting. It's lovely. It's great. And this hotel has got a few years of age to it. It doesn't show, does it? You know? It really is tip top. What have we got here? Oh, spare loo roll. Very important in its own way. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. For reference, that was me. But for reference, this is room 2035 on the 20th floor. And the mess that you're seeing now was made by me. Let's finish with some fruit.